appreciate y'all stopping by. I took some of y'all's advice. I just mowed my grass. I've been out here approximately 35 minutes. It ain't missed a beat. It was hard to crank this morning. Cold. Had the hand choke over the carburetor. She cranked up, and I've been running it, and it's been running good. We're gonna dig in a little bit deeper. There is a problem. We're gonna find it. And with your help, we're gonna fix it. We'll see you in a minute. Got my grass cut on somebody else's gas. Catch up, this is where I'm at. I went ahead and pulled that carburetor off. I'm gonna get into it, but I noticed on this fuel pump, there's a piece of tape on here, so there's a crack in that thing somewhere. Hey, doggone it, hold on, got a bunch of background noise here.
That's okay.
Let me get that turned.
Cucumber and mint,
Heck, let's just
shelter.
mute that for a little bit. All right, back to what we were doing. I ain't gonna lie to you. Them two little old screws right there, I had to use a little old impact driver to get them things to break loose. I'm wondering if there might be a little something stuck in here or floating around. Let's find out. Well, at this point, I'm gonna try and get all this intake parts cleaned up. They're quite dirty. I'd like to get that clean. Get that air cowling cleaned up. I call that a horn. It may not be what it is. That needs a good bath. And let's get this carburetor cleaned up and looking shiny and pretty. Get a new kit in it. Hey, I appreciate your comments on that last video. I took them to heart. We're following down your comments one at a time. Some of them I'm excluding because, well, we're just gonna skip them. Anyway, here's what we got going on. We got the carburetor off. We're gonna replace all the fuel lines, and I got my parts sheet together. We are working on a Briggs & Stratton model number engine 44P777. Our parts list includes a fuel pump, carburetor rebuild kit. We're going to replace the pulse hose on the fuel pump. We're going to replace the crankcase ventilation hose. It's dirty around it. I want it cleaned up, and it's not seating well. It's real loose. Let's put one on that can't be no fortune. Of course, the gaskets we need to mount the carburetor back up in that kit. New air filters, fuel filter. And as soon as that gets here, we'll get back to work. Take a minute. Give my buddy a chance. He's got the good stuff out there for you to watch now. Check old Steve out. Bald Eagle 242. He has got it going on. The link to his channel is in the description. Hey, we'll see you next week. We'll get this carburetor back on. Hey, I'm out of here.